Hey guys, Micah, Homestead Bandwagon, away from home in Nashville, surrounded by a bunch of Kioti tractors. So they just announced that they're going to turn the CK 10 series, so the 2610, 3510, 4010, and the DK series, DK 4210, 56, or 4710, 53, 57, and I think 60 into the 20 series. So now it'll be CK 2620, CK 3520, CK 4020, blah, 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 blah. So it's the new 20 series. And I think people are going to be concerned that they're going to miss out or lose something if they bought a 10 series and didn't get a 20. That is not the case. I'm just going to go over you real quick what the differences are. And it's not much. So let's check it out. Okay, so CK 2620, fancy new sticker, metal hood, new grill, LED headlights, and then the handle has the buttons, but nothing you need for the third function, just the buttons. Okay. Now when you go to a cab model, here's a cab. 3520 SE cab. There's an extra button right here. That puts your throttle all the way at the top. So it maxes out your RPMs when you're using your loader if you want. And then two buttons that could be hooked to a third function. But there is not a third function on it. It's just ready for you to hook one up to those buttons. Still going to cost you money. Fancy sticker, new grill. It's a pretty cool looking grill. LED headlights. And then we'll go over to the DK series. $47.20. Throttle button, two buttons for the 3-point. These are some prototype lights they might not release. Fancy sticker, LED lights, metal hood. All right, and then DK cab. Here we go. 4720 cab, same grill, same LED headlights. No changes except for, again, throttle button and then two buttons right there for a possible third function. That is the only difference. Okay, so that is the only difference there. So hoods, LED headlights, which are cool. A couple buttons, which you may or may not need. And, you know, unless you're buying a third function, those buttons do not make a third function work. You have to still buy an entire kit. So these are just buttons that could interface with the third function, and a throttle max button. So if you're too lazy to reach down to your hand throttle, you can press a button and your RPMs go up to max. That's it. No huge changes here. So we're gonna go look at some more Kiotis and have a good old time here. See ya.